guys, today I'll be showing you how to make an Oreo smoothie. First, you'll need a glass of milk, a cup, a Hershey chocolate, and a straw, water, a blender, sugar, and about 5 Oreos. Now let's get started. First, you're going to take your blender cup and pour all the milk. Now, you'll put about 3 Oreos in the milk. About 4, I guess. Oopsie. Okay, now you'll put a teensy bit, like about this much sugar, and I think a little tiny bit, like a half of this spoon. And I guess now close it with the lid. Really tight, so any of it doesn't leak off something into the blender. Okay, good. Now, okay, this is good. Now, oopsie. Give equal pressure on all sides. I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is really tight. Am I closing it or opening it? Oh. Close. And, oh, this looks kind of good. Just set the lid aside. And I think it needs a little more blending. Yep, it does. Close it really tight again so it doesn't leak. Man, it's getting really messy here. Okay, good. Is it leaking? Yep, it's leaking. Of course. It's not tight enough. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna get a little help from my mom here. Tight? Yeah. She thinks it's tight. Okay. Okay, that is good. I guess it's not leaking now. That's all I can guess. Man, this is tight. Okay. Really tight. Okay. Little up again. It's pretty tight to open. Yep. Okay. Now you'll pour this liquid, each Oreo milk in here in this cup. Okay, that's about good. Now you're gonna open up the Hershey, not the, like this Hershey, and put it in here so it gets the chocolate flavor. And I'll use the straw to mix. I'll turn a little chocolate and it'll taste It'll give a flavor to the Oreos. And I'm just gonna set this wrapper aside. And it'll take about 15 minutes to get this all mixed in. It's about 5 minutes, I guess. Okay, I think that is enough. Now, you're gonna get a teensy Oreo and another Oreo and stack it on top. And you're just gonna add a little bit, like a drop of water, like that's enough, just like until the cap. And now you can set this aside. I'm gonna stir it again. I think the Oreos are getting dirty. Okay, that's fine. Really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe down and click the bell button. And I'll see you later. Bye.